Bit of entertainment for today's YouTube episode. Trying out the GoPro. Trying out something different for the YouTube page too. We're settling in here on this new property. I know it's been a while since I've had to talk to you guys on YouTube. I've been on Instagram and Facebook, and thank you everyone for all their well wishes and best of luck wishes and everything else. Very much appreciated. Now the YouTube channel will be taking a bit of a different turn. It's going to be more entertainment value, because I'm finding a lot of people are just preferring to watch all those things. Sorry about the lighting, it should adjust, there we go. But yeah, it's plenty on here. Old John Deere there. Just I'll give you a little bit of an outlook, a bit of a rundown of what we've been going through, if you haven't been keeping up with Instagram. All this 4-5 feet high grass, we've got it all down. You can sort of see it over the back there. No idea how to work this thing for zoom, but it's over the back corner, up against the fence line bordering all the neighbouring properties. It's been well worth the effort though. We've really knuckled down, zeroed in on what we're doing on our zero-turn mowers. It's definitely coming along. Looking like we're going to stick with the Skag V-Rides. Get a 52-inch. This is the 36, just with the Advantage deck on it. Sit that up there for you. That's the old faithful Husky MZ52. It's just got the 25 horse on it. So if you followed along before, there's going to be plenty more. Now what you're probably realising is there's no 54-inch Husqvarna Stander in here at the moment. That's still in the shop. 2 clutches it's gone through in 160 hours roughly, which even at that, like one with them amount of hours on it isn't good, but let alone 2. We're in talks with them about creating a wider side chute, and that will hopefully rectify everything. I'm just going to grind it out, and hopefully that fixes all them issues. So that was a bit of pressure cleaning here. Not sure how this is going to be snipped up. I'm going to be employing someone to help with the videos and the social media, invoicing, everything else for the business, because we're just so flat out. And when you get home and you want to enjoy it and you want to come home to something so beautiful, you don't want to be doing paperwork and editing all hours of the night, because you've still got a business to run. I understand some people do it that way, and that's fine. I enjoy the creative process, but at the same time, I want to see my kids grow up, and I want to enjoy every moment I can, especially while we're here. It is only a rental, looking at purchasing, but really keen to get the ball rolling. We've got investments going now with the rental of our own, cryptocurrency, there'll be stocks, there'll be all these other things, and it'll be on this channel. It'll just be everything. It won't just be lawn care, it won't just be entertainment videos. There will be some knowledge along the way. And I hope you all enjoy it. It's been a long time coming. It's a good feeling to be settling in. So new D-Max, that probably is not been shown on the YouTube channel before. Possibly has, but we'll be looking at a new trailer, bigger one. But all in all, plenty coming.
you.
for watching. See you on the next one. Good to see you again. And if you want to know something instead of the video having everything in it, comment away and I'll get back to you. Thanks guys. Bye.